The BitBay exchange offers an affiliate program. If you succeed at bringing a new customer to the exchange, you will be awarded 20% recurring commission for every transaction they engage in. How does it work? Go to the Affiliates tab and click on Join the Affiliate Program. The interface will reflect that selection by displaying additional tabs. At the top, you will see a link that you can share with friends. Whenever any of them make a transaction, your balance will be bolstered. You can also create new links in the Channels tab. You can follow multiple reports in each channel, which will allow you to keep track of how much each channel is making you. When adding a new channel, you can determine whether it'll redirect to the exchange homepage, the BitBay Pay homepage, the login page, or the registration page. In the Promotional Materials tab, you'll find banners that you can embed in your blog or website. In the Report tab, you can check how many people have clicked your link, how many have registered, and how much you made in a given period of time. The system will automatically generate an approximate estimate of your affiliate income. You can also review the proceeds by channel. Registration and income details are to be found in the Details tab. In the Invited tab, you can see the usernames of customers who registered based on your recommendation and how much each one is making you. Your earnings can be withdrawn using the Earnings tab. When you click on Withdraw, the earnings will be added to your account balance. The withdrawal history can be found below the currency list.